Let's learn how to turn AI extracted buildings from this to this. We will start by adding the AI extracted building raster on top of the high resolution imagery. Next, we will access the post-processing building from raster output custom geoprocessing tool available through this QR code. I'll fill in the class and other parameters. While the tool is running, you can explore the completed steps in the tool messages box. Access the geoprocessing toolbox to learn or customize tool backend logic as desired. The code provided grants access to 4 distinct geoprocessing tools built with arcpy libraries. For optimal performance, use this tool with ArcGIS Professional Plus user type, as it relies on multiple ArcGIS Pro extensions. The automated vector buildings generated can be viewed on the screen. Modifying the symbology can improve their visualization. Thanks for watching.